Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate you how robotic process automation will minimize your repetitive task and increase your efficiency. So first we take the example of the Excel automation. So first we will define what is our task here. So our manual task that the company will do is first they have to go to the website, which is Acme Test UiPath Robot Your Skills, and after that the daily task of one of the basically your employee is he has to click the healthcare and download the treatment report daily on the daily basis, and then save it in the National Insurance Plan folder, which is located at the desktop. So this CSV file is downloaded. So after the download he go to the folder, and then from the CSV file he will open it, copy all the data inside it and paste into the Excel. That's mean converting the CSV into Excel in the treatment report template. So copy and then pasting here and then save it. So first task is he has to download the treatment report, daily treatment report. Then after downloading the CSV file he will open it and extract all the data and then copy it into the template, which is the Excel template. Now next he have to filter the insurance type column and check for the customer who has been taken the insurance, national insurance type. So he has to be put filter here and filter for the national. Now after getting all the patient who has national insurance type, he has to be put their data onto the website again. So he has to be again click on the healthcare, go for the national insurance planning, and on the table he has again put all the things from the table to place here. So suppose social number, for the social number he has to be copied the first one task, then the first name, then last name, email ID, gender has to be selected, then care type, it has also been selected, then diagnosis code, diagnosis description, procedure code, procedure description, medication. That's mean all the field that are required for the form. And after that he has to be save details, and he has to do all this repeated activity for all the persons. So I think here it's, if we count them, so there are 12 persons which are come under the national policy. So he has to be enter these details one by one into the this sheet. So it will take around, for the whole process for a single person it will take around 3 minutes. So if it has been 12, that's mean it will take 30 or 1 hours for the complete process. So let's us automate this process and find out how much time it taken. So now we will do it with the help of the robotic process automation. So for that I have again delete everything inside it and save it. From this I have deleted the treatment report that has been downloaded manually, and to start our robot and run it and check how much time it taken for the process. So I have already made a robotic program for that one, and I press on the run button. Now let's see the whole process. So it's 3:55 p.m. So we'll check how much time it take. So at present it's compiling, and when it's run the icon is come here, shows that the program is running now. Okay, so the program is started and start running now. So we will take the time from this one. First he has to open the path automatically, the website. After that the robot will do all the things. It will download that file. And then in the background it will send the CSV file, the data into the Excel format. That is our template file. So as you see that file has been blinking, that's mean the work is going on. And after some time you will see that it will automatically copy and paste all the CSV file data into this file. So you will see that it will already do that, and now it goes for its next step. That's mean entering the data from the sheets into the our basically the national policy form. So it will already open the form, and now on the filter basis it will automatically selected the all the patient with national insurance plan and enter their details one by one and submit it. So you have seen that it will start working for the very first person. And if we remember, there are 12 entries which he has to be performed here. And that one more advantage is, as it is completely robotic or computer based, so there is no error in it, no manual error, no typing error is there. As you see, it's not copy and paste, it will typing like this one, because in copy and paste it directly copied all the basically your sentence into one form. Here you will see it will goes as a typing. So it saved the first one and then again go for the next one automatically. So it will basically basically reduce the time for the repetitive task and thus increase the efficiency, and in terms increase your business profit, because in business time is your money. If you save your time for the same process, you will save more money. At present, as the recording is also going on, so it's a little bit slow because there is more work on the processor. So if not recording is not there, it will do that task more rapidly. So still we will see how much time it takes. So basically we start at 3:55 and the program will start running at around 3:57. So still there is only 4 minutes and it already saved the file, that is the treatment report. Take the data from the CSV file and paste it into Excel, and then after it's take the filter for the patient who take the national policy plan, and basis on that it will start entering their data into the insurance, basically the national insurance form. So as it is a daily task for a person to enter the treatment report into the national insurance plan form for the patient who are enrolled for it. So by using this technique, that is the robotic process automation, we can improve the efficiency of the work and with the less amount of time. And the best part is the operator is now go work for the another process till this process is working on. So he will go and work for the another process or another job at that time. So this is a small demonstration how Excel automation can be done with the help of robotic process automation. So this is just one example of it. We can do all our tasks, that is the tasks we will find out in our work or the business, which are repetitive in nature and take a lot of time. So we can minimize them with the help of our robotic process automation. And you do not need to learn any coding or programming for this one. You can easily done with the help of UiPath Studio. But for that you have to clear all the tasks. What is the UiPath, how we can automate Excel, what are the different activities we can perform here. How the logical approach or the robot path we have been generated. So we have seen that the entries are going on without flipping the screen, windows, without flipping the windows. Because we already defined the robotic path, that from where he has to extract data. Basically he is extracting the data from the template, treatment report template file, and place it into this form. That robotic path we have to learn to be generated in basically robotic process automation. How robotic paths are generated for the different type of automations. As the process is automatic, so it saves a lot of time also, and on that time you have to utilize your employee into the other important work. I think almost 8 to 9 entries he has done till now. The little slower is due to the recording process which is going with direct demonstration when software is working, so it makes the system little slower. So still we check how much time it takes. Still it will replace our tedious work of copy and pasting each field into the form and then submit it. It's a very frustrated type of job. but the robot will do it without any fatigue and without any error. So we have seen that all the entries has been done, and it will automatically close all the file that is open. So now we will check it. That you see that the program has ended, and it again come to the run button. So we will see it that in the national insurance plan it will downloaded the treatment report which we deleted to see how much it takes, and in the treatment report template we will see whether he add all the things from the treatment report CSV or not. So we will see that already all the fields have been entered here, and it will automatically segregate all the patient with national insurance type and enter their details into the application form. So if we're talking about the time taken for the activity, so it's 4:10, so it may take around 13 to 12 to 13 minutes for the whole process. As the recording is also going on, so it's a little slower. So if it's a regular practice, it will take maximum 8 minutes, maximum 5 to 8 minutes for this process. So you will see that the process which take around 1 hour has been reduced to the maximum 10 minutes. So this is the beauty of your robotic process automation. Thank you.